This video will demonstrate a method of checking the blade runout using the magnetic caliper base from MAG-DRO. First, make sure the saw is unplugged. With the blade raised just shy of full height, place the caliper and caliper base in line with the front end of the blade. Extend the depth probe to the blade and set the 0 on the calipers. Rotate the blade in increments, checking with the depth probe. Retract and project the depth probe to the blade. Find the place of maximum blade runout. Note and record and place a piece of tape at that place. Place a piece of tape on a new blade and change blades, keeping the tape on the new blade at the same place on the mandrel as the first blade. Check and see if the runout closely mimics that of the first blade to indicate if the runout is a result of the blade or of the mandrel.